Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kisha. You can find out more about me at KishaJaggers.com. That link is in the description box, as well as links to all of my social media. Definitely follow along if you're new, and don't forget to get subscribed. You won't miss any videos that way. So happy spring. We are in spring right now and it's currently raining. I hope it's not too noisy in this room. I just like the natural light, and it's one of my favorite places to film. So I thought, since it was spring, when Fab Fit Fun contacted me to partner up with them to share their spring 2019 box, I was very, very excited. I love subscription boxes. I've been subscribed to many over the years, and again, you can find those on the blog. But I was definitely interested in trying this one out. Now, this one is a little bit more expensive. They only send out 4 boxes a year, opposed to, you know, getting a box or something every month. And their boxes value around $200, but they're $49.95. And you can find out a lot more on their website, but basically, they give you full-size products, and you can customize it sometimes, you know, picking out different things you want to have in it and some different add-ons, or you can just let them surprise you when they send out the box. But I was super interested in it. I have been for years, so when they contacted me, I definitely couldn't pass it up. So I thought today, in honor of spring, but, you know, it's raining, but how, you know, spring showers bring May, what is it? Oh my goodness. April showers bring May flowers. That's it. But it is springtime now. It's starting to warm up, thank goodness, around here. But I really wanted to share these products with you. I hope you enjoy this. There is a discount code that you can find linked below. And let's see what they sent. Okay, so I have the box opened up. It's packaged really nicely. The first thing that I see is the Fab Fit Fun magazine for 2019, the spring of 2019, with beautiful Venus on the cover. And there's lots of information in here. I like that they send a book like this. It's got lots of information and different products and interviews. I really like it, and it has everything in here that I think it has everything in here that I got, or most things. It's got a crossword puzzle, nice little magazine to go through, and I also see a card for HelloFresh. And we eat quite a few of the meals like this, so I love that they included it. It's a $50 gift card, $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping, so I love that. If you have not tried HelloFresh, you should. So let's get started in the products. I'm excited. So first thing I see, I love this pattern, so it's something I kind of gravitate first, is the Show Me Your Moo Moo. And it's basically a robe slash moo-moo. Big, loose, pretty, very spring-like. It's got a belt, matching belt. So soft, so beautiful, so light. That's perfect for spring, and I love it. I absolutely love this. I will totally wear it. And I'm sure you'll see me in some day in the life vlogs wearing this. It's so pretty. I was a little worried about this box, by the way, because I really don't work out. Everybody pretty much knows that. I just don't like doing it. But there was only like 1 workout product in the box, and it's a jump rope. It is a 11 by Venus. And this is nice. This is a way to get cardio in your house relatively easy. You can work up a sweat really fast jumping rope. And it's a great indoor or outdoor activity to do. So I really like this. And I do plan on incorporating a little bit of movement, stretching, movement into my daily routine. I'm currently kind of working on that. So I think this will be a nice addition and motivate me a little more to move more and get more exercise in my life. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm happy that it's something I will actually use to work out. So I love that. Another product, full-size product, is from Dr. Brand. It's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. The older I get, the more puffy my eyes get, because the less sleep I get. And I have a 1-year-old little boy, plus teenagers, and believe me, between all of them, I definitely get less sleep than I used to. And here it is. Let's see if it's got a roller ball. Nope. So we'll try this out. I will review it somehow, some way on Instagram or on a vlog, or maybe I'll just do a review of everything that came in a month or two. So excited about that. Definitely loving full-size products. Here's another one from Levito, Inspired by Nature. It is a mandarin orange body lotion. Full size. I can smell the mandarin orange without even taking off the seal. Oh my goodness, I love like orange citrus scented items. I will for sure use this. It's big enough, where you got enough product. It is 4.5 ounces, but still small enough you can toss it into your handbag or, keep it in your car. It smells amazing. Let's see, sticking on Twin, I will talk about this. I don't know how to pronounce it. UI Leave-In Conditioner. I'll put it on up so you can see it. I don't use a ton of leave-in conditioner, but I definitely will try it. It's a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. You just spritz it on damp hair and go on your way. I don't know. We'll give it a shot. Let's see how we like it. The last beauty item is a champagne charcoal body scrub. Look at that. Let's smell it. I love a body scrub. It's very hard for me to take a shower with a body scrub normally because I get so slippery and I slip and slide all over the shower, but I love them. And it's, that time of the year when you need to start getting rid of the dry skin on your body. Here's what it looks like. It is dark. I'm sorry, I just ripped it off. It smells really good. It smells so good. But I do love a good body scrub, and it's a good time to just get in and exfoliate all that dead skin off before you go in for spray tans. And, you're showing a lot more skin in fall. You're showing a lot more skin in spring and summer. So a good body scrub is important. And this one smells so good. And I love, again, that it's just full size. Here is another item. This is Sip by Swell. It's an insulated hot cold mug that, you can keep some water in if you're out and about and need to hydrate, or if you're running to work in the morning like I do and you need your coffee, you could use this as well. It is 15 ounces, and I love the color. It's really nice, and I'm sure I will use it, so loving that. The last item in my Fab Fit box is definitely going to be one of my favorites. It is from Sunny Life. Here it is. It's got a little wristband here. Can anybody guess what is in this? Anybody? I'll pause. Alright, so what is in here? Let me show you. Look at this. It's a miniature, picnic set. You got 2 plates. Obviously, they're plastic. And you got your silverware. So, I absolutely love this. I could see myself using this so much, from little picnics with the kids, to grabbing it for lunch at work, to having it in the car for anything we're doing this spring, this summer. This is a great item to have included. I think it's amazing. I love this so much. I don't know, I just love picnic baskets. It's definitely like the minimalistic kind of picnic basket, but it's perfect. It's lightweight, it fits on your wrist, you can grab it. You got plates for you and somebody else. You know, you could have one and you could put snacks on it for your children, and you know, just take it with you wherever you go. So, loving this. It's probably, besides the Moo Moo, these two things are probably my favorite, and I'm so excited to use this. So, what did you guys think about the products? Do you think it's worth $49.95? Let me know below. I actually really do think it's worth it, especially from the full-size products and the beautiful products they send. I mean, this is so pretty, you guys, and it's so spring-like. It's light and airy. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I feel like with the full-size products, you get a good range of different things to try out, and you got enough product to really test it out to see if you like it before you buy it. And you know, obviously you can customize these to make sure you get exactly what you want. But for the first time getting this box and not, you know, customizing it or picking add-ons to, you know, put in with it, I love the products they sent. There's not one product I will not use. So, I don't know, if you're interested in spoiling yourself a little bit, so many of us just go on with our work week and our daily life, and we get stuff for our home, and we get stuff for our children, and we get stuff for our husbands or our significant others, and we leave ourselves out. And I think when you sign up for something like this, I really believe you're thinking about yourself, you're splurging on yourself a little bit, and you're getting to try new products that maybe you wouldn't have picked out otherwise. So I do think it's worth it. I really enjoyed going through it and talking to you guys about it. There is a discount code below in the description box. Definitely check that out if you're interested. It's $10 off your first box, and I will see you guys with another video very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to get subscribed, and let me know what you thought about this video in the comments below.